Here we have a quick demo on how to use Bedrock using Boto3. First, we import Boto3 and JSON. The next step will be to connect to our Bedrock service. So we use bedrock.client to pass the service name, Bedrock, and the region that you're closest to. For me, it will be US is 1. Then we prepare the query in here. So it will say, write a story about a fictional human character living in a futuristic AI world. And then the next step will be to create a Bedrock runtime where we can execute our prompt. So we use Boto3.client. Service name will be Bedrock runtime. And again, we pass the region name closest to you. Then we prepare the prompt with the different configuration settings. So in here, we use JSON dumps to pass the input text will be the query. So this here. And then the text configuration config will be this object here with a max token, stop sequences, temperature, and tab P. And once we have that ready, we can invoke our model by using the runtime, passing the body, and then passing the model ID. In this case, is Amazon Titan Text Light V1, and the meme type or the content type for application /JSON. Then we print the response. We bring out the request body so we can see the output. So let's run this in here, and let's take a look. All right, let's bring this up. So here we have the response. The response have all the metadata here, the request ID, HTTP status, connection. You got all the information here, and then we got the response here for the story that it created. Now we have the dates on the header as a content type, the request ID, token counts, Bedrock ID, input token count 15. We have pretty much all the information that we need in here. So it's just a few lines of code. I have some extra stuff here that I need to execute in order to get the model information, just to test this out before I run this. But in just a few lines of code, you can just interact with the model of your choosing. And remember that Bedrock, they have different providers as well. So not only AWS models are available, they have Meta, they have Mixtral, they have Claude, they have multiple ones in there that are really useful for many different tasks.